Fully adjustable air springs to level your vehicle when towing or hauling a heavy load for a safe, comfortable ride. Up to 5,000 pounds of load leveling capability. Easy to install with included detailed instructions. Fitment details listed in the product description. Lifetime warranty with 60-day ride satisfaction guarantee. Airlift adjustable air helper springs level your load, and give your truck, van, or SUV a safer, more comfortable ride. Air springs are easy to install between your existing springs and the vehicle frame. Just add air when towing or hauling a heavy load, and reduce air pressure when unloaded. They are fully adjustable for a great ride. Airlift air springs eliminate sag, sway, and bottoming out. They are made with rugged, durable components for long, reliable service. LoadLifter 5000 kits are Airlift's heaviest rated kits for hauling or towing heavy loads. They have up to 5,000 pounds of leveling capacity, right up to the manufacturer's recommended gross vehicle weight rating, and are air adjustable from 5 to 100 psi. LoadLifter 5000 kits fit popular vehicles such as ton and 1-ton pickup trucks, many Class A, BC motorhomes, and commercial trucks and other severe uses. They also come standard with a limited lifetime warranty and an exclusive 60-day ride satisfaction guarantee. Top reviews from the United States. Great. I am 77 years old and I installed them by myself in my driveway. Took me 5 or 6 hours, but they work great and can't tell they are there when I don't have trailer on.